guys, so we're currently at Klipriviersburg Nature Reserve. It's actually very nice. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, it's actually very nice. And I'm here with my friend. Say hi, friend.
What's up?
Why are you blurry?
Am I blurry? What's up?
I'm blurry too.
What's happening?
So today we're going to be hiking, or mostly eating, because yeah, we brought like a whole lot of food. Let me show you guys. This is a lot of food, like
It's just one day
for hiking. But yeah, as long as there's food, it's okay, you know. Hopefully there are no snakes here. I'm joking, there are snakes here. He's not aware that there are snakes, but yeah, there's actually a lot of snakes here.
I'm going back.
Oh, go back.
There are snakes.
Yeah, nice. They're very friendly, like very friendly snakes.
Snakes have never been friendly.
They
That's
have
why you can't
been.
have a snake as a pet.
You can.
You can't have like a snake, man.
You can.
Hope that you walk this way. You and your girls on the ride. Play all day, walk on the line. Say what, you know that I like it, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what's up, and you know what I need.
So we are currently halfway through the track. I'm joking, we literally just entered, but yeah. We literally just entered, but
Yes, sir.
there's a snake.
From that city.
Guys, we kind of like got to like a dead end, and you see this thing of not following routes, and now we have to like, yeah, I don't even know where we're going, but
We are lost.
we are in the middle
I think we are in
of
Rustenburg now.
nowhere. Like at this point, I believe that we're in Mozambique, because we've been walking.
People,
Anyone?
anyone that stays in Mozambique, please tell the bodies you know, come look for us.
And it's so hot. Like it's super hot.
Yeah, it is.
Very, very, very hot. And there's the person leading the way. That's why we actually got lost.
Can't you?
He is leading the way. He was like, no, oh, what's this? He was like, no, let's use this route. Da, 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 da. You see now. You see now. Must
We got lost.
never listen to men. You
You
get
know, we-
lost. Triple take. Okay, we are back on the trail.
Yes.
And it's looking good.
Is that a hotel?
Which one?
You see the buildings there?
Probably. We are back on the trail. I'm so happy. Like I was like, I'm too young to be stuck in the middle of nowhere. What do you mean? The water. It's so nice. If my phone, yay. Let me not even say it. You know, words.
Yeah.
Words. Can you please take me a video?
Alright.
Like right where you were.
You don't want to change anything, the portrait. Yeah, come here.
No, it's fine on video. Does the water show?
From that side, yeah, it does.
Or what if we go down?
Yeah, we can.
We can shoot it here. Look at the water.
I want you to stay. Till I'm in the grave. Till I ride away, dead and buried. Till I'm in the casket you carry. You go, I'm going too. 'Cause it was always you. And if I'm turning blue, please don't save me. Nothing left to lose without my baby.
No.
You must be scared.
I'm not scared of dogs. double take, triple take. Why am I so...
We have to connect the thing in first for my vlog.
Yeah.
Pink.
So now we having food. Having food. This is mine. This is yours.
Yep.
This is mine, and I'm not sharing with
Okay.
nobody.
Look what
Where's my chocolate? Oh, I didn't get a chocolate.
get a
It's fine.
I say
But I
milk
got
tea.
sweets.
It's not
I got
bad.
some Maynuts, some Oreos, some Lays, Simber,
Wanna bite?
strawberry. No, I don't like lunch bar. Then some yogurt.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Ish, wait, let me shoot with the. We are literally chilling in the middle of nowhere. Imagine. Am I showing?
yeah.
We are chilling in the middle of the bush. Having food in the middle of the bush.
Like this and that.
This is nice.
Okay.
I don't like those.
Picnicking.
I'm making a cocktail.
Cocktail.
Or whatever it's called. It's very, very nice. Very, very nice. Made by me. So yeah, don't copy. This. Like move your legs like this. No man, do like this. The one I meant. It's 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3.
I don't know.
Like I need to like you start from the middle.
Can dance. Wonderful. When you can dance.
It's you're gonna do this, bro. I'm not sure running my video because I know how to dance. Like niggas be so jealous. Putting all the shades because the future is too bright. Clock it.
Every time I preach, but like it, let's go deeper. 1000 degrees. Bega lentwani yashisa. What else should I say? Bega lentwani yashisa. Safuna ma coin mina. Singfuna ma clipper. I need 6 figure. Singfuna ma meter. Fagi nyogo sibali mangabu twala nge feature. We don't wanna rhyme. Fagi nyogo sibali mangabu twala nge feature.
Yeah.
Hi man.
Hi, money. Period. I'm actually hiking, but if you dare dream with me,
That lady's killing it.
right?
Yeah, she is.
If you dare dream with me, I'm in the safari.
Unamang.
I'm in the safari, okay? Okay, James?
Yeah.
Leave me alone, James. Hunt down some lions.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Lucky. I am the leader of Stingy Men Association. Intombazana ayiphiwa imali.
I want to do my nails.
How much?
200.
200. Bambi 20. Uzohlanganisa nayi 180. yabo.
Unongijwayela kabi ne?
Manje happy. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. I'm still the leader of Stingy Men Association. Uyabo? This is how you ncisha intombazana imali. Phambili ngokuncisha amantombazana imali phambili. Yabona?
We are going home.
Super tired.
Very tired. How was your day?
My day was.
Did you enjoy?
Yes, I did. Yo.
Did you
Klipriviersburg.
hike?
Yeah.
Really
All
now?
the way to the. What you call?
So we are leaving now. I'm very exhausted even though we didn't do much, but I'm very tired and my phone is very, very low. I don't know how we're gonna get home because my phone is the one that has Uber. But yeah, thank you for watching the video. Bye.